Saturday, mostly cloudy, humid.
The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Jones County in west central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over TRUBY, or near ANSON, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Holly around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hodges, TRUBY, and Stiff. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.